It's after Christmas. It shows I can't use it as a trampoline. It's a bit like a trampoline. Welcome to a rather chilly episode of After Checkout. So the biggest job in here will be removing all of the Christmas decorations. Have you ever seen so many Christmas trees in one place? That's one. And that's another. The last one in the lounge. Oh, very nice. Oven and grill. No mess left anywhere. Okay, we've got the bin to empty. I say it's a very, very cold day today. Time for the bathroom check. Eee! That's pretty good. Go and have a look at the other bathroom. I know you're waiting for it. Sorry to disappoint, but it's another clean toilet. One little bit on the carpet. Henry will have that for breakfast. This isn't going to take long at all. Although we are going to do one extra thing today. In this twin bedroom, we have a full-size 3-foot single bed. And we have this camp bed because the room physically won't take 2 single beds. The mattress is quite thin. And we've had a few comments, even though we do advertise it as a camp bed. The mattress is quite thin and it's only got this sort of trampoline-y type base where these springs keep coming off. What we're going to do is take this out of here, and we've bought a brand new bed from our suppliers. So I've put the old bed away. Let's take this out of here, and then we've got our brand new JB, where is it? There it is, a brand new JB bed to put in there. So I'll get this unboxed and put it up, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, side by side, that's the old one and this is the new one. And just looking at the thickness of the mattress compared to this one, I think somebody's going to have a far better sleep on this. Well, it's good to see it's more or less fully assembled out of the box. All we've got to do is put the headboard on here, so I'll screw this into place. And there we have it, one brand new, much more comfortable folding bed. I'll get this protective cover off, and then I'll get the bed made up for tonight's guests. We always fit a waterproof mattress protector to all of our beds, because you never know. There, that's the bed all made up ready for tonight's guests. I was just reading the instructions. I'm a little bit disappointed. I can't jump up and down on it apparently. So I'm going to finish the video there. So from Stable Cottage, bye for now.